Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on the Audio Path widget for iOS devices. The Audio Path widget displays the available audio options for your device. This includes connected and available Bluetooth devices. To set the audio path, select the audio icon and see the Audio Path widget appear. The selected audio pathway will appear at the top of the list. To select a different audio pathway, press and hold on the pathway's navigation bars, then drag to the top position. To activate the pathway, exit the Audio Path widget by tapping anywhere outside the widget. You will see the icon change to the chosen audio pathway. While wearable devices are available as an audio pathway, ESChat does not support wearable Bluetooth interaction, and wearable devices such as smartwatches should be placed below the top position. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.